My name is Justin Newton. I'm the founder of Netki, a startup in the blockchain ecosystem, and we're a member of the Hyperledger project as a means to help contribute to standards. So our company benefits from being a part of the Hyperledger project because we actually produce standards for the blockchain ecosystem. And we believe that it's important that the standards that we've contributed to other blockchains can be used universally across all of them. And so it's important for us to be a part of the Hyperledger project to help create that continuity across the different blockchains that we work on. We believe that advancements in blockchain technology will actually dramatically change the way that most businesses operate in the future. In the same way that the internet started out doing things that we already did, but doing it in a lower cost way, things like long distance communication and others, blockchain's first and early uses are primarily focused around cost savings or efficiencies in existing businesses, lowering the cost of payments, making it easier to share information. However, for me, I actually think that the bigger promise is the fact that blockchain is now an open, permissionless network, both for use and for innovation around financial services, value transfer, or data ownership. And that's actually going to lead to dramatic and sweeping changes across all industries as the technologies mature and they become more scalable and stable, while at the same time becoming easier to develop on top of. One of the main reasons that we considered collaborating with the Hyperledger project and actually decided to join Hyperledger was that we saw that it brought together two important areas in terms of the development of blockchain technology. The first important point that the Hyperledger project hit was that it's focused on open source and open standards-based technology, which we believe is going to be one of the keys to the growth of the ecosystem. The second thing that it does is it brings a strong and predictable governance model around that open source project. And so in an era where we've seen potential challenges or concerns in the governance of some of the other blockchain projects that are going out there, Hyperledger gives a sort of stable and predictable path for the development of the technology and a governance process that allows corporations and enterprises to feel confident about what the go-forward path is and that will be able to support their business needs. Hyperledger provides us a place to come together and work with other technologists to help create best-of-class standards around blockchain.